One way to support students and to help them create early successes in the first days of a course is to provide Start Here information. This should include detailed step-by-step information so they know exactly what to do when they first log into the course. This will prevent confusion and frustration for your learners and help them persist in completing the course. This tutorial demonstrates how to set up a Start Here folder in D2L and place it prominently at the top of the Content section. First, to create a Start Here folder module, click on Content in the navigation bar. Click on Add a Module in the left-hand menu and type in Start Here and hit Enter. To move the folder to the top so that it is the first module students see, click on the dotted icon to the left of Start Here and drag it to the top under Table of Contents. Next, create a Getting Started HTML page. To do so, in the Contents section, click on the down arrow to the right of New and select Create a File. Name the new document, such as Getting Started. Include the following information, ensuring clearly identifiable titles with unique formatting. Once your content is in place, click Save and Close.